I'm gonna jump right into it here, guys, but first make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can make sure you can see more videos like this. We're gonna be going over some advanced Amazon PPC automation tactics. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Within automation using Sellozo, we're able to set minimum and maximum bids for specific campaigns. So if we know there's a specific minimum range that, you just won't get any clicks if the bids go too low, if there's a maximum range where you just know you don't want to try to bid anymore because it may be unprofitable to bid too high for the majority of your keywords, you can set those up in your PPC manager. Let's just jump right into one of the campaigns here and I'll give you an example of that. So first of all, we'll just take this first campaign here. So we could go just click on this toggle wheel, and you could do this for multiple campaigns